Hi guys, so we're gonna be showing you how to make one of these paper airplanes. Huh? Shut up, you. Okay, so these paper airplanes are usually good. They fly up to the air and then go up. So I'm gonna go get a paper. So now you'll have it like this. Now you'll try to fold it as best as you can and fold it. Now your paper should be like this. And now open them up, but put it right here. Uh-oh, that's bad. Wing. Okay, I'm not sure. Here. Because I want to line it like a point. There you go. There you go. So, now your plane should look like this. And now, go like this. And your plane should look like this. And now, try to fold it right here. You know, your folds may be more thicker. Now you flip it over, do the same thing as the other one. And now you fold it again and fold it one last time. So for a good one. Floats in the air and chills. Okay, now you put the other one right here. So now, if your lines do not line up, try folding the other one into right here. There you go. And now you can just open it up. But one thing you're missing is this. You should fold it like this. And now your plane should look like this. And now if it does have like these, I'm gonna show you how they fly. These ones fly. But mostly don't fly good. But these ones fly much better. So the two, let's take them both. So now we're gonna take them out. Oh, there's a lion there, huh? So now we're gonna be taking them out. The first one is without, so go. I know fly's more different now because the other time it was real good. So let's try that again. Now this one needs to go. And now let's test the other one. So this one will be staying right here. We'll leave these two planes and this one with the lines. Oh shoot, bro! It hit it twice. Sorry, dude. So, what do you think is better? Boat. Okay, guys, gotta go. Okay, guys. So now that we have done our paper airplanes, I know they hit my sister twice, so I'm pretty sorry that I did that. So, oh shoot, she pushed me. Now, there. This is for today's video, and bye.